Hey guys, it's Joe at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for sale this beast Honda CRF1000L Africa Twin. 2017 on a 17 plate, and it was new in March 17, so it's just over a year old. Proper BC, it's got the LED front lights, the daytime running lights and the indicators as well. Awesome bike, really good for touring on. It's done hardly any miles at all. It's only done 1,396 miles. Really nice dash on these. Bit of Honda, super reliable. Give it a quick fire up for you. Sound an absolute beast. Got traction, ABS, all the usual bits and bats that you need on them. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Get yourself a nice Honda CRF down at Jordanbikes. Give us a call. We do finance, PCP, we take cash, and we love a part exchange. Cheers guys, see you soon.